Okay, so when the self goes missing, how about that? Have you ever considered that? I've lived long enough to have had a lengthy period in my life where I could say myself did go missing. Now, that's for me was it went missing in a relationship. For other people, it can be it goes missing using mood altering substances or living in, yeah, chronic stress. So when you're in chronic survival, the self often retreats and you dissociate. There may be competence, you go about doing your daily tasks and functioning, but the aliveness is gone. You finish up with responsibility, but no joy in it. It's like the everyday housewife as used to be in the 50s before everybody had all the electrical appliances that we have now. When I was young, it was before the days of washing machines and vacuum cleaners and all the electrical accoutrements that we have now. Life was a round of just constant housework. Um, so there was connection without presence. And it can be dissociation as a pathology, but there can be dissociation as kind of protection. So this journaling, working through these playlists and doing the journaling that comes with them is really helpful because the return to self is gradual and it does require safety, and that's you creating safety for you with yourself and giving yourself permission to tune into your own thoughts, your own feelings, your own sensations, your own insights, your own awareness. Um, and that happens by being patient with yourself. And that helps if you take the time to journal and write down, express into your journal your thoughts and feelings and insights. So the three questions today is, when do you feel most disconnected from yourself in your life? It may be in certain situations with certain people that when you reflect on it, you're not actually fully yourself. And what parts of you feel hidden or dormant? What is it that you get disconnected from? What is it that you can't be? You can't be yourself. And what conditions help you feel most like yourself? Um, so it's worth taking the time to reflect on those questions and write the answers down. And if you find it useful, click like and click subscribe. I'd be really pleased if you did. And I'll see you in the next video when we consider from survival to choice. So moving out of survival mode to actually stopping and considering, hang on, what do I want? So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.